So far, you have learned how to add existing blocks into regions. But what if you want to create a simple block with just a bit of text in it and add that to a region? Well, this is where a custom block can help. So to create a custom block, go to Structure, Block Layout, and then click on Custom Block Library. Now, if you install Drupal using the standard installation profile, this module should be installed. If not, just go ahead and install Custom Block. Now, Custom Block is a core module, so all you need to do is go ahead and install it. Okay, to create a custom block, just click on this Add Custom Block button and then enter in a description. So I will enter in, say, promo, and then just add in a bit of text below it. And then scroll down and click on Save. Now, the block type that we are using is the basic block, which just has a single field, which is the body field. Now, at this point, we have created our custom block. Let's now add it to the sidebar first region. Now, to do that, just go to Block Layout and then scroll all the way down to sidebar first, click on Place Block. Now, find your custom block by either finding it in this list, or you can even filter by its block description name. But here it is, here, promo. So let's just click on Place Block. Now, this form should look familiar because we've covered it in previous videos, but the only thing we'll change is we'll uncheck Display Title and then click on Save Block. Let's reorder promo so it's above search, and let's scroll down and click on Save. Now, one thing I will mention is that if you click on Place Block, you can create your custom block types just by clicking on this link as well. And this just takes you over to the basic block form. So let's go back. And now that we have created our promo block, let's just open up the homepage in another tab. And then here on the left, you can see our custom block. Now, if you want to modify the content of this block, you can do it in two ways. Hover over the block and then click on this link and then click on Edit. And this will take you to the block form where you can edit all the fields. And then if you click on Save, you'll get redirected back to the page. Or if you have Quick Edits installed, you can edit the content directly from here, like so. So if I was to click on here, I can make things bold. I can add in a whole bunch of text if I wanted to. And then once I'm finished, I can just click on Save and the block has been updated. Now, personally, I don't really use Quick Edits. I've never used it on any of my Drupal sites, but it's there if you use it. And then of course, if you want to configure the block, so placement and visibility, you can do so from here. So that is how you create a custom block using the basic block type. Now let's go ahead and create our own custom block type. So to do that, let's go back to our block layout and let's scroll all the way to the top and click on Custom Block Library and then click on Block Types. And from here, you can create all your different block types. So let's now go ahead and create a custom block type called promo, which will have two fields, a body field and also a link field. So click on Add Custom Block Type and enter in promo into the label. Now you can enter in any type of label you want, but I'll enter in promo. And in the description, I will enter in used for promotions, if I can spell promotions correctly. And then I'll also check create new revision so that every time we update the block, a new revision is created. And then click on Manage Fields on the promo row. And then here you can see that by default, the body field was added. Now, this also happens on content types. When you create a content type for the first time, it automatically adds in the body field. But if you don't want this field, you can go ahead and simply delete it. But we will leave it in there because we need two fields, a body field and a link field. Seeing as the body field has already been created for us, let's go ahead and add the link field. So to do that, just click on Add Field. And then from the Select a Field dropdown, select Link, and we'll call this field Read More. But again, you can call it whatever you want. And let's just keep everything as it is. And let's make it required. And let's scroll down And let's also make the link text required as well. And click on Save Settings. So at this point, we have created our custom block type. Let's go ahead and create an actual promo block. So let's go to Custom Block Library and then click on Add Custom Block. Let's select promo and let's enter in a description of newsletter sign up. And what I'll do is I'll copy that and paste that in here and make it an H2 and also enter in a bit of text which says join awesome newsletter. And then if we scroll down, I'll just put in google.com and then I'll specify a link text, which would be sign up now, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Oh, there you go, 3 exclamation marks. Hopefully people will sign up to our awesome newsletter. So we have created our promo block. Let's now add it to a region. So click on block layout and let's scroll all the way down to sidebar first and then click on place block. We can search for our custom block just by filtering by its name and click on place block. Let's uncheck display title and let's just make sure the region is sidebar first, which it is. Awesome. And click on save block. Perfect. Let's now reorder the block so it's right up the top and then let's save the page. Now, if we jump back to the home page and hit refresh, we should see our sign up form on the left. So here you can see sign up newsletter, which is an H2. You can see our paragraph below it, and then we have our read more link below. But notice how the label is being shown. Let's remove that. So let's go back to our block layout tab and then go to custom block library and then back to block types and then click on the down arrow and then click on manage display on the promo row. Now, if you watched our training module on customizing entity types, all of this should look familiar because remember, block types are fieldable entities and all fieldable entities will get a manage fields tab, a manage form display, and a manage display tab. So let's go ahead and hide the label on the read more link and then click on save. And then if we go back to our homepage and refresh, we shouldn't see the label. And then if somebody clicks on sign up now, they just go to the link specified. Okay, so that is how you use custom blocks. Now, on sites that I've worked on, I've used them to create promo blocks like we just did, but I've also used them to create hero images or image slideshows. Now, because they are fieldable entities, you can attach a media field to them or an image field. And then this allows you to create visual blocks which can display images and also amazing slideshows.